Mutaratara wa githomo kia 844 wambiriirie miaka 39 mithiru na mumirira ma kigeranio gia kirathi gia kana na muthenya wa umuthi nimo mekirire gaturumo mutaratara wa githomo kiu.
That we are only transitioning from a structure of education that has served us well for 4 decades to one that will serve us even better.
Minista wa githomo guku bururi-ini Ezekiel akirekereria mumirira ma kigeranio kiu rucini rwa umuthi ni ugiirio horo mutaratara wa 844 na kuriugiria ati mutaratara ucio ni uhuthiritwo ni andu aingi guku bururi-ini aria mahotete kwiyukiria.
844 education system that has for years served our country immensely well.
Mutaratara wa 844 wambiriirio ni minister wa githomo hindi yo Thomas Aringo mwaka-ini wa 1985 na kuria macugugite ati gutire mundu ungeciria ati mutaratara ucio no ukinya hau ukinyite na kuria ongereire ati ni arerahira gwikira gaturumo mutaratara ucio agicokeria ngatho arimu aciari hamwe na anyiti itemi sector-ini ya githomo aria matumite mutaratara ucio ukinyanire.
When he stood at a podium like this one 39 years ago to release the first set of the Kenya Certificate of Primary Education Examination Research for the 1985 cohort, former Education Minister Peter Aringo could not have imagined that the Kcpe story could last so long.
Mwena-ini wake mwikariri giti wa kamiti ya githomo bunge-ini ya Senate John Ruto ugite ati ni mehariirie kuhimbiria mutaratara wa githomo wa CBC na kuutwarithia na mbere.
CBC led by the Minister for Education that we never again allow our learners to be assessed on only one parameter, and that is academics.
Mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa githomo Berio Kipsang ugite ati muthenya wa umuthi ni wa mwanya karenda-ini ya githomo kona thutha wa miaka 39 mutaratara wa githomo kia 844 ni urikitie gutirihwo na kuria arutwo makiria ma milioni 26 mahitukire mutaratara-ini ucio.
I would want to congratulate our young ones who did Kcpe, this last cohort of Kcpe, for the good work and the results that they will be receiving after the CS releases them.
Oho ni ugitie ati arimu aria maramakira igeranio cia kirathi gia kanana ni marikitie kwamukira mishara yao.
We have paid all our examiners who did Kcpe marking.
Nake murugamiriri wa kamiti ya wandikani wa arimu TSC Nancy Macharia nacokeirie ngatho arimu na arugamiriri igeranio aria ni makiria ma 7,250 aria marateithiririe hanene gutigirira ati mutaratara wa githomo kia 844 ni watirigwo wega.
Thank you our teachers for your unfettered professionalism and commitment.
Handu-ini ha Muthigi TV nie njitagwo Ng'endo wa Njogu.